Everybody, welcome to another informative video from Tech Dave 2000. In this video I thought it would be helpful to walk you through using the Google search engine. Now, from an iPhone, I must add. Now, in order to activate Google, what we must do is press the home button on your device. Now, I'm using an iPhone, so the home button for me is the round button at the bottom of the screen. Now, don't be scared, just go ahead and take your index finger and press the home button. Now you will see we have arrived onto what we call the desktop. Now on this desktop on your phone, what you're going to need to do is we want to press one of these special icons. When we bring our eyes down to the bottom of the screen, you see that we have 4 different icons. We don't want to press the first icon, and we don't want to press the second icon. Don't press the second icon, and we don't want to press the 4th icon. What we want to do to activate Google is we want to press the 3rd icon. So take your finger, any finger you like. It doesn't have to be your index finger. You could press it with your thumb. Go ahead and lightly touch that 3rd icon, and this brings us into this screen here. And in this screen here, at the top there, you see that it says search or enter website name. Now we can search for anything we want here. Now you might say to me, what can I search for? And I would say, for example, we put the cursor into the search bar here. Now this is not Google, but we have to use this in order to activate Google. So for instance, we could search for well, I can't think now that I'm on camera. What could we search for? Let's say that we want to search for msdos. So we would put in, well, no, that's ns. We don't want ns. We want to press delete and then take your finger and press M on the keypad, and then S, and then space bar, and then we press DOS like this, and then we press go. And now what happens is, this is Google. This is Google. And we have now activated Google. And so we can scroll down, and all of these things are special places you can go MS-DOS. So, like, what we do is we choose the best one we want and we press it. So this one here, let's press it, and that's MS-DOS. So that's another video from Tech Dave 2000. I hope you found it